So yeah, this is a 13. Ooh, if my hair burns off, what would I do? Cut the cameras.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less so young and naive of me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faye. Today I'm going to be doing another synthetic wig tutorial. I'm going to be installing this synthetic wig. So this is the SENSATIONNEL Sheer Muse CHANA wig in the color electric blue. And y'all, I'm a bit nervous about this color because it's a bit vibrant. So definitely trust the process. Yeah, trust the process. I've seen so many people look so good in this wig, like they actually just killed it. So I pray that it's my turn. I pray. This wig was only $30. Yeah, $30. I am so shocked myself. I don't think you can really get better than that. Yeah, not for a wig, not a lace front wig. So if you haven't already read from the title, this is episode 2 to my synthetic lace series, and I'm so excited because I'm also doing a giveaway. So make sure to check out my description box for the details on how to enter. Before I go any further, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and turn on post notifications so you'll never miss out on any of my other videos. All right, stay tuned. Okay. So this is a bit of a deeper blue than I thought, and I'm not even mad at it. This is actually so pretty. Obviously the color is beautiful and so are the curls, but they kind of kept these, like, I guess roller things in to kind of keep the curls, which I definitely can appreciate because I already took out one, and look at that curl. Look at that perfect curl. So I'm gonna try and leave the other one in so that I can like kind of hold the curls. So yeah, this is a 13. Ooh, I thought this was a 13 by 4 frontal, but it's not. This is like a 13 by 1. Yeah, there's no frontal space here. Okay guys, so I'm a bit disappointed in this wig because I actually thought there would be a bit more parting space. There is about, I would say, not even an inch of parting space here. I'm gonna tweeze it just a little bit to make it a little bit more natural because it is giving very much wig. And I'm also going to tint the lace with my favorite tinting spray. I've already shown this process in all my synthetic wig tutorials. I'm gonna show it again for you guys one more time. Okay, so now I'm taking my ebon lace tint in medium brown and I'm spraying it all over the frontal. I like to spray this tint on synthetic wigs, especially because I don't like to put too much makeup underneath. Wow, look at that. When I put the wig on, the lace matches perfectly. This is so pretty. Like, I'm already kind of obsessed with it. Like, the color and the curls, like, okay, wow. So this is it after I tinted the lace, and it's way better. You can see that it matches my skin tone pretty well. So I think it's gonna turn out really good, even though there is not much parting space here. There's not much parting space on the side, so I don't think a side part is possible. You can mostly just follow along as I cut the lace, but the one thing that I must point out is that I cut the lace in a zigzag formation to prevent it from that wiggy look that sometimes happens when you cut it straight across. Yeah, that's a no for me. Now I'm spraying a layer of Got2b on my hairline and just using my fingers to spread it around. Then I go in with my blow dryer to speed up the drying process so that I can go back in with my second layer of Got2b spray. Placing the hair on your hairline is such an important step because you do not want it to be too forward or, just as worse, too far back. I'm going about this in small-ish sections and then going in with the end of a rat tail comb to press down the lace. To make sure it stays laid down, I wrap my hairline with a head tie for just a few minutes. I'm bringing out my baby hairs now so that I can map out where I want the baby hairs to go. Since this wig has no, and I do mean no, room for plucking, I couldn't customize the hairline how I would want to make it look more natural. But baby hairs always help. So like I was saying, here I am just mapping out my edges before I actually go in with the gel. Usually I don't like my edges to move at all, so I like to lock it in with one last layer of Got To Be spray before I lay it down with that same head tie from before. Wow, that is not the same wig that we started off with, but now I'm just adding some foundation to blend in the lace a bit more. Wow, this looks so good already. I haven't even brushed it out or anything. Okay, now it's time to style it. So styling can be a bit of a tedious process. I just take a wide tooth comb to comb out some of the nappy pieces, and as you can see, the curls are snapping right back. I keep doing this until I'm satisfied with the curls, so just follow along. And if you have any questions on how I styled it, please comment them below.
I know I'm fine.
Okay. I just don't know aesthetic. If my hair burns off, what would I do? Cut the cameras. Oh, that's funny. So final thoughts about this wig. It's so cute. Some definite drawbacks is that it gets like really nappy right here. So like it's like not the best. I mean, it is a synthetic wig, and on top of that it's like $30. So I feel like you can't complain too much. It just has like a feel of like synthetic hair. So like sometimes it looks good, but then sometimes I feel like it does look like a bit on the cheaper side. So this is actually such a cute color, and since it is the fall and it's getting colder, I feel like it is a good time to wear this color. Like you definitely, it will pop out. Oh my god, this is just too cute. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and comment below if you're feeling this wig, because wow, I am so shocked at how good this looks. Like, I didn't curl it, I didn't even fix the curls. All I did was use a wide tooth comb to kind of just like brush out the curls, and it looks so good. Wow. I still can't believe that this wig was only $30. Like, I feel like this is just like such a beautiful wig. And even with the fact that it's not even a 13x4 frontal, it still looks pretty good because this middle part goes very deep down my hairline. So I am a fan. I definitely give this like a 10 out of 10. Wow. So go ahead and comment your thoughts on this wig, as well as any other wig suggestions that you want me to try. I do have a few more wigs in this wig series, so make sure y'all stay tuned. And don't forget to enter the giveaway for one of the wigs in this series. The details for that will be in the description box below. Bye.